everybody, I am of course the Invertabarian. Yes, we are opening a box today. It's come from the spider shop. If you're new here, please do subscribe to the channel. And of course, don't forget to use the notification bell to be notified of new videos as and when they've been released. Without further ado, let's crack on with opening the box from the spider shop.
Box, 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 box. Steve. Sticker. Noodles of oodles and noodles and stuff. It's still very warm in here. Packaging bag is very warm. We're of course getting to that time of the year where you need to be thinking about heat packs. Okay, and here is our spider.
We can't see it.
Hiding in here. Let's get a better look at our new spider. So there we have HSP purple, and of course H stands for drum roll. Tetrapoda. So this is a huntsman spider. So for it to go into, we have made a very basic setup. Water dish, cork bark, dirt. Happy days. That will be home to our new spider. But let's get a look at the spider first and foremost. Back to tub. Huntsman can be quite bolty at times. I'm relatively familiar with huntsman spiders. This is a little beauty in here. Let's see if we can get a better look. I think we're going to have to get out of this tub so we can see it in its new setup. So say this is a setup, and I'm not going to lie, I've never seen a huntsman throw down a threat posture like this dude. We'll try and get him to go happily and contently into his new tub. But as I say, this wee dude is throwing out threat postures which I've never had a huntsman do at me. Come on in, fella. There we go. He's not very keen on moving. Look at that, he's turning, he's turning. Look at them fangs. Popped a wee light on there for you, look at them. I don't think I've ever seen a huntsman be so moody. You are a moody so-and-so. Right, let's get Mr. Grumpet Pants into his house. You moody sod. Alright, you Mr. Happy. Off he goes. And throwing out those threat postures, and he goes, and he goes, and he goes. Happy, 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 and he goes. So it's very dark. I'll get a better look in a minute, but obviously he's gone in behind here, which is exactly where we want him to go. Let's see if we can get some nice shots of Mr. Grumpy Pants. must say. I kept calling him Mr. Grumpy Pants, and then when I was taking some close-up photographs, I realised he's not a Mr. Grumpy Pants. He's a Mrs. Grumpy Pants. She's a Mrs. Grumpy Pants. It's a female, and she is beyond bloody beautiful. She's up in that one up there. I'm going to leave her to settle in just now. I might actually upgrade her into a bigger enclosure at some point in time, but for the meantime, I'm going to leave her to settle into that enclosure. What a beautiful spider. I've never seen a huntsman throw down threat postures quite as much as that little lady did. I was actually going to call it Mr. Grumpy Pants, but I guess I'm going to have to come up with a new name for her, because she is stunning. She is beautiful. That's the HSP Purple from the Spider Shop. Chances are probably sold out by now. People know you love your Huntsman spiders when you get 2 messages in one day. One from the Big Hairy Viking, Dave from House of Bugs, notifying me that the huge shipment had been posted on the Spider Shop. But the other one was from the Spider Shop themselves. Lee sent me a message personally telling me they had a huge stock of Huntsman in. So I guess perhaps got a bit of a reputation for liking Huntsman spiders. Anyway, oh, she is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, there's more Huntsman on the Spider Shop website, because Huntsman are absolutely friggin' awesome spiders. Yeah, I'm grinning. I'm absolutely over the moon. She is just so absolutely beautiful. Thank you ever so much to the Spider Shop. As always, fantastic package, fantastic delivery, fantastic service, absolutely friggin' fantastic. Spider Shop, you rock. Thank you ever so much. And yeah, I also have to say a huge thank you to my wife, who tolerates everything I do. Well, she just tolerates me in general. But as soon as she saw my puppy dog eyes light up when Lee and David notified me of these spiders on the website, I immediately fell in love with the purple, and she made sure that I had enough funds in my PayPal to purchase the spider. So thank you ever so much to my wife, who made me a very happy chappy indeed. So that's it for me. To you, thank you so much once again to the Spider Shop. That was an absolutely amazing, awesome, wonderful, brilliant, superbulous package. Again, over the moon. Keep an eye on the Exotic Pet Enclosure Design Group. The Halloween competition will be launching on the 1st. The promotional video will be right here on my channel. As always, I do the promotions anyway. Promotional video will be up telling you what you need to do, blah 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 blah. It will all be on as of the 1st. In the meantime, be good, be kind, take care of yourself. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.